This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Kelly Ward. Beautifully treed, rolling, lush and stunning views, and so secluded but just a short drive to town, beaches and the incomparable Sea Brook area. Bring your dreams, ideas and nature-loving heart to find peace and serenity on these magnificent pieces of property that make up 8+ acres of heaven. Are you thinking hobby farm, ranch, horse property or cabins to rent out to other adventurers? Let your imagination and dreams run wild here. Price to sell, so don't delay. Listing number 1,972,966 for sale by same owner. This would make this well over 10 acres. Naturally seeded tress, 15+ years old, possible timber buyer. To verify for more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Ward at 360-533-1900.